Welcome to video number 3. Now that you know how to search and navigate Dominir, it is time to master the controls that shape exactly what you see. Running down the thin vertical edge of the screen is the control strip. This is your lens for the entire workspace. Press any number from 0 to 9, or use the plus and minus keys to step deeper or shallower. Depth 0 shows only your selected route, while depth 3 or 4 is usually enough to reveal meaningful relationships without overwhelming the view. Next, you can toggle the traversal algorithm. Press the A key to switch between BFS, which explores widely level by level, and DFS, which follows single paths deep into the graph. This choice dramatically changes what you discover. Press H to enter quiet mode, which hides every node that is not part of your current highlight. This is the fastest way to read a busy graph. Press C to fit the current selection perfectly into the viewport so nothing is off screen. Finally, remember that Command T toggles the right panel between Results mode and Create mode. When you are in Create mode, the form respects the Ontology schema for whichever type you choose and lets you link the new instance to existing ones through relational fields. All of these controls operate on the same synchronized state. Change the depth or algorithm in the strip, in the Ontology graph, the timeline, the maps, and the results panel all update instantly. Once you internalize these controls, the entire platform becomes responsive to your intent. You are no longer just viewing data, you are directing it. In the next video, we begin exploring the data model itself, starting with instances, types, and pedals.